Do you want to become a product owner who can motivate the team and ensure product success? If yes, then you can do the professional Scrum Product Owner or the PSPO certification. This course teaches potential product owners how to reduce the cost of their products and systems and in turn reap profits for their organizations. It focuses on maximizing the value of product over writing requirements. The PSPO certification offers the foundational knowledge needed to work with Scrum. This is a certification offered by Scrum.org specially for the product owner role. Who can do the PSPO certification? PSPO is the cutting-edge course for product owners, agile product managers, and anyone responsible for a product success in the market. How can you crack the PSPO certification? 1. By mastering the Scrum Guide, and 2. By practicing with a wide variety of questions. We at Techcanvass are here to help you prepare for your PSPO certification. We have developed a self-learning and live online training options with set of materials. The training program helps you in understanding the concept and relate with real-life scenarios. We have prepared an extensive question bank with chapter-wise and full-length test. We have also provided flashcards, cheat sheet, and matchmaking exercises which will help you in your learning process. Our question bank contains a lot of scenario-based questions which are designed in the pattern of the PSPO exam. Last but not the least, our support team is always there to help you in your preparation journey. So come and join us in becoming PSPO certified.